Best Luxury Small Car for 2025 to 2025 Acura Integra. As we usher in 2025, the 2025 Acura Integra has been named the best luxury small car of the year. This accolade is well-earned, thanks to the Integra's perfect blend of performance, cutting-edge technology, and sophisticated design. The revival of this iconic model has captivated the market, appealing to both nostalgic enthusiasts and modern luxury car buyers. Performance and handling. The 2025 Acura Integra redefines driving excitement with its 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering a robust 200 horsepower and 192 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain is paired with a precise 6-speed manual transmission, a nod to driving purists, although an efficient CVT is also available for those seeking convenience. The Integra's sport-tuned suspension and agile handling dynamics ensure an engaging driving experience, whether navigating city streets or tackling winding roads. For those craving more performance, the Integra Type S variant offers a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, pushing out a thrilling 300 horsepower. This high-performance model features an adaptive damper system, Brembo brakes, and a limited-slip differential, elevating the driving experience to sports car levels. Sophisticated design. The 2025 Acura Integra combines contemporary styling with classic elements that pay homage to its heritage. The exterior design is sleek and aerodynamic, with sharp lines, a distinctive diamond pentagon grille, and dual-eye LED headlights. These features create a commanding presence on the road, while the fastback silhouette adds a touch of sportiness. Inside, the Integra offers a luxurious and tech-savvy cabin. High-quality materials, including leather-trimmed seats and aluminum accents, create a refined atmosphere. The interior is spacious, providing ample room for both front and rear passengers, and the rear hatchback design adds practicality with increased cargo space. Cutting-edge technology. Acura has equipped the 2025 Integra with a host of advanced technologies. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster, complemented by a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. This system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity for navigation, entertainment, and communication. The ELS Studio 3D Premium Audio System provides an immersive sound experience, enhancing the overall driving pleasure. Advanced safety features. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Acura Integra. The car comes standard with the Acura Watch suite of driver-assistive technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work together to provide a safer driving environment and greater peace of mind. Market impact and availability. The 2025 Acura Integra has made a significant impact on the luxury small car market, offering a compelling blend of performance, luxury, and advanced technology. Its competitive pricing, starting lower than many of its European rivals, makes it an attractive option for those seeking premium features without breaking the bank. Available at Acura dealerships nationwide, the Integra is poised to attract a wide range of drivers, from young professionals to seasoned enthusiasts. Conclusion. The 2025 Acura Integra stands out as the best luxury small car for 2025, delivering an exceptional combination of exhilarating performance, sophisticated design, and cutting-edge technology. With its luxurious interior, advanced safety features, and engaging driving dynamics, the Integra redefines what a luxury small car can be, making it the ideal choice for discerning drivers seeking both style and substance.